What if I told you that 90% of people are using AI completely wrong? They type a sentence, get a generic answer, and wonder why AI feels overhyped. Here are 5 prompt hacks that actually work in 2026. I've tested hundreds of prompt techniques across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These 5 hacks consistently produce dramatically better results, and most people have never heard of any of them. The first hack is role assignment. Instead of asking AI a question, tell it who it is first. Say, "You are a senior software engineer with 15 years of experience," before your question. This single change can improve response quality by up to 40%. The AI adjusts its vocabulary, depth, and approach based on the role you assign. Try it with any profession, marketer, lawyer, fitness coach, and watch the quality jump. Hack number 2, negative constraints. Most people tell AI what to do. Almost nobody tells it what not to do. Add lines like "do not use jargon," or "don't give me a history lesson," or "avoid generic advice." This alone eliminates the lazy, filler-heavy responses that make AI output feel boring and repetitive. You're basically giving the AI a smaller space to work in, which forces it to be more specific and useful. Hack 3 is the most underrated. Before asking AI to generate anything, ask it to validate its approach. Say, "Before you answer, tell me how you plan to approach this." The AI will outline its strategy first. If the strategy is wrong, you catch it before wasting a full response. This is especially powerful for complex tasks like writing code, creating marketing strategies, or analyzing data. You'd be amazed how often AI plans to do something completely different from what you expected. Hack 4. Context stacking. Instead of one giant prompt, build context across multiple messages. Start with background, then add constraints, then ask for the output. Each message narrows the AI's focus. By the time you ask for the actual deliverable, the AI has a crystal-clear picture of what you want. This works because AI models pay more attention to recent messages, so layering your context makes the final request land with maximum precision. Hack 5 is the iteration loop. Never accept the first response. Instead, follow up with, "What's wrong with your answer?" or "What did you miss?" The AI will critique itself and usually find 2 or 3 real gaps. Then ask it to revise. This 1-2 punch of self-critique and revision produces outputs that feel like they came from a different, much smarter model. Try just one of these hacks the next time you use AI, and you'll see the difference immediately. Subscribe for daily AI tips and tools that actually work.